Welcome back to my channel, guys, and if this is your first time here, then welcome. Today we are going to be making these short ribs, which were so good and pretty easy if I say so myself. So we're going to start out with our short ribs in a bowl, and I'm just running some water on them because I am going to clean them using, of course, my regular mixture here, my lemon and my vinegar. And I'm just going to do just like this here, wash my meat, and boom. So here we are. I have my short rib in one bowl, and then I have my plate of seasonings, which is some green peppers, some onions, some thyme, as well as some hot pepper, or Scotch bonnet, and of course some minced garlic. We're going to start with our dry seasonings, which I've gone ahead and put on the screen on the bottom left hand corner. As always, the spice is a suggestion as well as how much spice you use. We like spicy, so I'm going to do my thing and you're going to do yours. Now that we've gone ahead with our dry seasonings and that soy sauce, we're going to go ahead and add our plate of fresh seasonings and herbs to our short ribs, and we're going to be marinating this overnight. Don't forget that Nor chicken seasoning. I forgot that and I snuck it in there. So I'm just going to mix this up, put it in a freezer safe bag, and let it sit overnight. You are free to do this overnight like I did, or you can just do it for at least an hour. And here we are ready to cook now. This is the next day, and I've separated my meat and my veggies. I left those veggies right in the bag because what we're going to do first is brown our meats, as you see me doing here. So I'm just starting out with some olive oil in my pot, and I'm let this get really hot so that we get a nice, really like golden brown sort of color going on. You want it to look browned and almost like a little caramelized, which you'll see what that looks like just there. I'm just going to flip a few of these over and show you guys exactly that color that we are trying to achieve, which looks just like this here. So you have an idea. So, just take a few minutes and do this. This is what you're going to look for. I can't tell you exact cooking times because, we all have a different stove. This is the general look you're going for. And then we're going to go ahead once we've gotten this on all sides, and we're going to add those veggies from our original seasoning that we left aside in our bag or our bowl. We're going to add those to the pot now, and we're going to go ahead and let those cook down and reduce and become translucent with our short ribs. So as you can see, there isn't much liquid or much thickness to the liquid in our pot at this time because all we have in there is whatever has naturally come from our short rib as well as our veggies. We're going to cover that up and let that simmer for about 20 minutes, and after the 20-minute mark is where we are here. And I'm going to be adding to my pot 1 cup of chicken broth and 1 cup of red wine. You can use the red wine of your choice. I used Merlot. This will, at this point, I'll be adding a teaspoon of this Better Than Bouillon beef. And you can, at this point, remove your pot from the fire and finish up your short rib in the oven at 350 degrees in an oven-safe pot for about 40 minutes. Or you can continue to let this simmer on the stovetop like I did. And you'll see here where my short ribs are at completion. You will notice now that your gravy has thickened in consistency. Your short rib is falling off the bone like we see here. That's all there is to this recipe, guys. I hope that you guys enjoy. I paired mine up with some macaroni and cheese, white rice, cabbage, and sweet plantain. Have this as you please. Let me know down in the comments what you had with yours. As always, I appreciate you guys for stopping by and spending some time with me. The other videos for these sides are also available on my channel if you have some more time. Thanks for stopping. Bye.